Today we're diving deep in the Jeep world with this Hydro Blue 2-door Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Apex Edition. Let's go. Here's the final results. We're on 37s, truly amazing with lots of custom components. But first, take a look at some of our build progress of this beauty. Blake had the task of knocking out this beautiful build. I love the coloration with the Evo lift, with the King shocks, the blue on the blue. Matches so perfectly. We got a lot of AEV components. We are a distributor of those parts. We love the ruggedness and the toughness that those bring to each and every one of our builds, and a great overall transformation with the suspension and the aftermarket components to set it off with BFGs in 37, 12.5, 17 with the Fuel Beast, with the custom Rubicon graphic on the side. I love that Rubicon hood too. There's so much I love about this Jeep. Let me know what your thoughts are also. That KM3 tire tread and sidewall. Look at the 17, y'all. That is going to be so perfect rolling down the road. And this is just a rugged rendition right here. The Hydro Blue hits totally different. Let me know if you're a fan of the blue. I mean, Real Deal is not a blue guy, but I could rock this. This has just a very unique look to it. It's a bold statement. And then our Evo kit in 2.5 inches, King steering stabilizer, King shocks front and rear, and just, you know, the King shocks, the blue just matches perfectly. We took away the typical Jeep with a red border there, and also the Rubicon here usually has red border, so our great guy Dennis took care of that nice side badge, and then Chad was able to find these side badges that are all black as well. We got the Fuel Beast wheel looking amazing, wrapped around 37, 12.5, 17 BFG KM3 mud terrain tire. I love this tire, running this exact size on my Raptor right now. I've been so impressed with it overall as far as ride quality and off-road performance. Again, just a great kit overall in the Evo. First saw this, I thought this was their 4.5 inch kit. It just looks so tall, but we're not. But it's deceiving because I think of our clearance that our bumpers give us now too. And the AEV, American Expedition Vehicles, we are now distributors of their parts now. So anything Overland, anything Jeep, anything rugged, we got you covered now with AEV parts. Chad, thanks so much on that. We're from Florida too, y'all. So I got to figure out tomorrow if they're Gator fans or what's going on. I'm thinking they're Gator fans since we're rocking with the blue, but hopefully not, y'all. AEV spare tire carrier, relocation there. And I love how this bumper rolls into your factory side flares, and you got the angled mud flaps, which I truly think is really cool. Again, just look at all that flake in the Hydro Blue, just basking in the sun. And of course that BFG tire is just synonymous with performance. Jeep chooses to run the BFG tire on their Rubicons in the KO2 form, and the AEV front bumper, this looks like a modified rendition of the Rubicon bumper. So I love that factory appearance it has to it overall, but it looks so rugged and unique. We got a nice worn VR Evo 10S. The S stands for synthetic. We got synthetic rope, that's the way to go. Super strong and ultra reliable. We've got dual lights on the bull bar right there, looking nice and clean. Again, just a nice rendition of a way to take a Jeep more capable and more confident, and obviously looking way better. Inside the Wrangler on a Rubicon exclusively, I love the red accents throughout. You got leather with black accents, Rubicon in the backrest, as well as contrast stitching all the way throughout. Has great dimension and depth and detail. Backup camera on the 8-inch touchscreen is more than adequate, and your grid lines change when you turn your steering wheel as well. It has a great look to it, more than adequate to get you out of a jam or get you out of the parking lot. Got dual analog gauges on your center stack with a LCD screen on the center there. 2 high, 4 high neutral, and 4 low, and the Evo throttle lag alleviator right there really wakes up this Jeep, because we all know we need more power out of the Jeeps, and that's one way just to get more response out of a modified Jeep especially. And on the Rubicon you get the front and rear disconnect there, which is huge. Off-road sway bar disconnect, auxiliary switches, everything is ready to go off-roading with confidence. Well, to the Smith family, congratulations. Thanks so much. Thanks for trusting in us and allowing us to take care of your Jeep needs. I know that Mrs. Smith, maybe add some power boards for here for a little off-road or daily drive there. This vehicle, even for me and Chad, is hard to get up in. Again, thanks to our staff at Willies Accessories. The shop guys knocked this one out. Lots of components on this one. I hope you enjoyed a little insight to what it took to build this one, or just some of the bits and pieces. We'll try to do more of that as far as just bringing you more insights on how and what it takes to make these dreams come true at your source for everything auto, Akins, Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and of course Wild Willies Accessories right next door. We got the best thing going on in the automotive industry, so check us out. Obviously subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media, but akinsford.com is your source to everything auto. Peace out.